we got a way for you to travel and make money. Yes, travel and make money. All you need, driver's license, clear, safe way to travel. No passport needed, but if you do have a passport, you can make some more money. All right. So what we're going to do is show you guys a couple of websites on how you can travel abroad or travel locally, pick up a package from a recognized carrier company, take it on board with you, or check the luggage, drop it off to the next destination, and you get paid. As you know, on this channel, I always show you how to get involved with these companies, the websites, how to sign up. Don't just tell you about it and leave it up to you. I'm going to actually show you, hold your hand through the application process, and hopefully you guys can get hired and get to this money. All right. So without further ado, new side hustle no one's talking about on YouTube. What up? What up, Cargo Hustler? What up? What up? You fly for free, so that means you're going to make even more money. What up, Justin? All right, so let's get into it. Bow. First one is called Air Charter Services. So Air Charter Services, come here, come down, and get started with them. And then we got another one called Royale International. So this one, critical onboard business, be an onboard courier, logistics solutions, tailored urgent needs for automotive, aerospace, semiconductors, all the stuff you normally transporting in your vehicle normally. And then you can let them know what type of customer you need, and then get rolling. Where's the one that we get shipping on? And then here's another one, wings on board. So onboard courier services. You can see what's going on with it. Trying to get some pay. This is like an international company right here. I don't know about this one. And here's another one, timematters.com, onboard courier logistics services. Now, I don't think you need any certain certifications. As long as you can, fly, you should be okay with this. Like I said, I just found out about this like yesterday, and still doing my research, but I want to bring this to you guys in hopes that you may have some more information and put me up on something. But let me see, onboard couriers. Here we go, right here, onboard couriers. Personally accompanied hand carry courier service for extremely urgent shipments. Book now, but how do you get the offer? How do you get to be a person that handles the shipments? That's what we need to see. Appreciate y'all tuning in with me, working through these complications. I should have had this pulled up, but I was so excited to bring y'all the guys this information and boss up with you. We're gonna boss up together and get through this. How do I become an onboard courier? Here we go. Airmates, you will find information on record, mean, and register. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Airmates onboard couriers. Okay, so you be an airmate, become an airmate. As an onboard courier, you'll handle carry time sensitive valuable items. You thought the internet made these obsolete. Why would the internet make someone taking something on a flight faster obsolete, Justin? Let's see what all they require here. Airmate is a freelancer who acts as an onboard courier. Extensive experience as a frequent flyer. Requirements. Here we go. 18 years or older, have a valid passport with more than 6 months until expiration, smartphone, health insurance, hold a credit card, fluent English. It's like everybody should be able to qualify for that. How to become an airmate. Make sure you have required documents on hand, including valid frequent flyer program. Okay. Flyer program is mandatory. Okay. Final confirmation, you'll pass the application process and understand how the mission works. So, only thing I'm worried about with this is possible, not knowing exactly what you're going to be transporting. I'm pretty sure they're going to tell you what it is, but I can understand certain circumstances that something may be wrapped up. You can't get into it and may not know what it is, especially traveling international, going to different countries, could be dangerous. So that's the only drawback I'm seeing to this right now. Let me know how y'all feel about, using your passport and your face to travel and transport things international in your suitcase. Could get a little sketchy. Not sure what exactly you're moving around and everything. Yeah, I still don't know what you're saying. You can sign documents. You're not just moving documents with this, though. You're actually moving items, Justin. So that's Airmates. We got a couple of more companies. Let's see what this one is talking about. This looks like an international company. And yeah, look like something German. What goods can be delivered? Any goods, 70 pounds, max weight. Operators are glad to find option. Handover points and other door-to-door possibles. Okay, yeah. Got a whole lot of information with that company. Here's another one, onboard carriers, reliable. Look at these guys.
My name is David Keller, and I'm the Director of Freight
Not showing the
Forwarding
video.
Operations
Hold
here at
on.
Ascent. The biggest benefit of using an OBC solution is speed. When our customers are out of time, an OBC solution can often meet that lead time. We're often picking up the freight within an hour of booking, and often we're delivering within 12 hours. So this gives our customer the speed of an air charter without the price. Something unique about our service that builds a lot of customer trust is the clear line of visibility that we offer to our couriers. Within a few minutes of every request coming in, we're able to locate the nearest courier to that freight and dispatch them. And then from that point forward, through all milestone events on the trip, we're able to have that direct line of communication with the courier. We can always see their whereabouts and swap information. And our customers appreciate that the direct chain of custody.
All right, so that's what it is with them. It's showing you what all you're moving, sensitive documents, garment samples, production equipment, manufacturing parts, all kind of stuff. They got you moving around. This company, USA Couriers, is a U.S.-based company, onboard couriers, so they may not ask for passports. And this site looks a little janky. This was not moving swiftly like it's supposed to. Yeah, this one looks a little not official. I don't know about uscarriers.com. Let's move on. Let's move on to the next. We got FedEx, got on board courier services. Looks like they're through Air Expedite as well. I think we looked at this company already. No, here we go. So you can sign up through FedEx and do this. Wow. Look at that. Well, look at that. So So FedEx got some options. Not sure how you get on here with FedEx. Probably a long process. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. It's back to air charter, deliver, hand things. I'm trying to figure out. Here we go. Apply to be a ACS onboard courier. Name, phone number, which airport is closest. Do you travel frequently? Do you have a credit card? Do you have a license? Fill this out. Let's see where the convoy travel to. Anywhere, United States, Mexico. Does the courier have to pay for the flight? I believe so. Not at all. ACS is responsible for the flight ticket and hotel. Okay. Okay. That is some golden information right there. You do not even have to pay for the flight or the hotel. They're going to pay for everything, all the expenses related. Only thing you have to pay for is your food.